Hey guys, hello everyone. Hello, hello. अच्छा तो ठीक है. Yo, hi guys. Okay, so this is the dollar index. So currently we got an event which is called PPI, Product Manufacturing Index. Yo, hello guys. How are you? How you all doing? So now we can expect a very good expansion in dollar index, which means it's a very good short opportunity for the gold. But before that, I was wondering that, price would have given a closing above if it would have given a high, but it's a bit choppier now. Rather, I would wait for a candle closing, then I would initiate my positions. It seems like price might continue to fall down till this POIs. Uh, yeah, I changed my mind. Let's see. After getting a candle close, if we get any short opportunities, then we might look go long in gold as it was made this beautiful entry model. It has also taken out the previous day low if I'm not wrong. Yes, it has done that, mitigated into the FVGs. Yes, here it was mitigated the FVG. Then 4 hours, okay, good, not bad. From this POI we might get a very good short. I think going short is real quick now. Yeah, as you can guys can see, like this is looking good for longs though. We could have captured short over here only, but I feel like we might get a recovery type of thing here. I'll be looking for longs here. Yes, gold is looking good for longs. Let's wait for the entry model. This looks good. This is called a proportion block. So here I'll be waiting for a entry model. I have kept an alert. Next, looking at the Euro USD. Same thing. I thought of shorting this, but let's see. Remove drawings, daily time frame. Yeah, hello ma'am. I'm doing great, exceptionally well. Like, how are you doing, by the way? It's been a while. Took long on natural gas, hit my SL and blasted. Sir, the thing is, whenever you have high impact data, it would be better you shouldn't enter any trades prior. Post, you can give it a try, but before you shouldn't be entering that. Until and unless the structure looks really good, but still it is not recommendable to do that. I hope everybody is so well. Like it's been a while really since I haven't given an exposure. Let's wait for some price action. Let me just give my bias. Then we're gonna chit chat in it. Okay, so this is the euro in daily time frame. As you can see, just taken out the previous day low, just taken out. Then started making the reversal points. But if we really look into it, I don't think we might get that big move in this. The potential reversal could be in this POI, which is a very good FUG after breaking out in previous high. We can expect price to mitigate this POI. Before that, I wanted something mitigation for here. Basically, it's good for shorts. Yeah, it is looking good for shorts, but there are no entry models. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll wait for an entry model. Okay, we might get a trade in Euro USD as well. So we'll keep this in the watch. Next, we want Nifty. Let's see. Next, GBP USD. Daily time frame again. Refresh. No, keep that. Okay. So here we are. Price has given like a very crazy sharp down move. Mm, mhm. We could have got a good, reversal from this point itself. I don't think this would have happened if we like got a candle closing below 50 percentage. If there was a motive to give a reversal, I don't think we'll be getting any reversal. It's better we should look for shorts in this rather than the longs. Again, as mentioned, there is there are the POIs below this, structure. So let's wait for that. Yeah, we can expect price to mitigate that. In this, let's remove. Yeah, as you guys can see, this is what is happening actually, but we got like a very clear POI here. This looks so good for shorting. It's a A plus setup. I'm in for this. GBP is looking so good to short. That's good. Let's keep this under watch. Next, we're gonna look for USD JPY. So we took this long yesterday. If you want the trade breakdown, you can check out our Discord server. Okay, we might expect price to mitigate the consequent aggression in this particular imbalance. Then we might get an entry model. So like as expected, yeah, the 50 percentage of it is this FVG, like a refined FVG. The reason why I'm choosing 50 percentage of the big imbalance is so there is something called consequent encroachment. It's a 50 percentage of FVG or a very big imbalances basically. So we consider them as a POI, just a refined version. So same thing here in I'm gonna look for longs after getting some entry models over there. Okay, the reason why GBP is A plus cause of in daily time frame, if we would have got this reversal, we would have already got. And if you look at in the daily time frame, we got a very good rejection block, combining it with this particular, breaker block, which we marked with the, the previous candle. Basically, I mean, you guys know what a breaker block is, I guess. Like basically, whenever an order block fails, that becomes a breaker block. It's a concept of polarity. So basically, let's say you have any POI. It could be, let's say this is in demand zone. Whenever price is, below the POI, it works as a resistance. Whenever price breaks that particular POI, it becomes a demand. If it is breaking below, then it becomes a resistance. So this is called the concept of polarity. So the same way, here it was an order block which got disrespected. Again, it became a breaker block. So yep, that's how it sounds. See, it is very easy until and unless you have enough experience in it. But just trust me. Next, you got this USD JPY. Yeah, as expected, 50 percentage of it. Next, we have this AUD USD. I've been ignoring this pair since, so many days. Like since April, I haven't checked this out. There was some geopolitical reason with Australia. Okay. Same with the USD CHF, we have got the expansion that needed already. I don't think we might getting any moves in this because it has already taken out all the highs. But we can give a OTE entry in this because of this is our current dealing range. So let's keep our Fibonacci. So here it is. We can expect price to mitigate the this imbalance, which is here. Okay, not bad. Yeah, so it is this FVG which we can expect, retest. If price getting here, we might look for longs. Let's keep an alert. Next, the Euro GBP. The reason why I opened Euro GBP is I don't trade this Euro GBP pair. I just use this as my confirmations. So basically, what it does is whenever Euro is stronger, let's say if the dollar index is falling, okay. So what trades would you take in GBP or Euro? Longs, right? So you don't know which one to take. Like you have Euro is going to long and GBP is also going to go long, but you don't know which pair is gonna make like which pair is stronger. Basically, whichever the pair is stronger, it gives the extra 20 pip more or 30 pip more. So to find out that, we got this Euro GBP. Let's say if you have like you can just watch the percentage over here. If the euro is bullish, then that means euro is stronger than the GBP. If it's vice versa, you can take trades according to this. And next we got the commodities. I was looking for shorts here, but price was never getting near there. Let's see this. Mitigated the order block, taken out the previous week high, which is a very good sign for the reversals. Daily time frame, nice, not bad. 4 hour time frame. Yes, here this is a very beautiful CISD. We can expect price to mitigate this POI, which is a negative POI. We call this as a CISD. Yes, as you guys can see, it has already mitigated that part. Okay, not bad though. Now, from here, we might look for shorts, but till where we might get that short. Mhm. Great. Seems like we have a long way to go till here. Basically, in IRL to ERL and ERL to IRL. Let's wait for this as well. Let's keep some alerts. Next, we got the natural gas. Refresh. Basically, natural gas has a very good price action if it's going in a direction, but whenever it's sideways, it just sideways. It won't give any interest to you. Like as seen, look at this price action. So I'm not really interested in initiating any positions in this. Let's wait for very clear directions. Ignore. And yeah, looking at the favorite pair, gold, looking good for longs. And GBP I don't think we can trade this. Ignore. NZD USD. No, even I'm ignoring this as well. Yeah, I hope that's it, I guess. Let's look for the watchables. So currently, hmm, wait a second. Yeah, Euro, GBP, and gold and crude oil. They are looking good. Okay, great. Like if you got any questions, let me know. Can you explain the difference between market structure shift and CIST? So basically, they're all same things, just different terms, but identifying them is like a pretty much different. So if I put it in this way, let's say uh, it's just a point of view. Okay, so for an example, if I ask somebody what is an order block means, let's say you guys might call, which one is this? Yeah, you guys can call this candle as an order block. Am I right? Can I call this as an order block? Is it an order block? Right? This is an order block. So whenever I just switch it to a smaller time frame, it doesn't look like an order block, right? So the my question is, would you be able to identify this as an order block without shifting it into the higher time frame? No, right? So that is the reason why we call this as a like why we gave it a different name to get the different perspective. So the same way, this we call as a order flow. So the same way, the higher time frame change of characters called as CISD, which only looks like a single candle, and the lower time frame change of characters are called as market structure shift. Like you're getting what I'm saying? Simple as that, no complications. Wait, what? Yep, as you guys can see, this has done the needed what needed. A higher time frame is CISD and lower time frame is market structure shift. Yes, sir. It is the same thing. So I will be interested in initiating this position after getting a closing below that wick. So basically, just a change of character in the smaller time frame. As you can see, taking out the highs, taking out the lows. So we call this as a change of character. Simple. And if you look at this in the higher time frame, it just looks like a single candle. But we are not supposed to call this as a CISD. So if you guys can watch this here, this particular candle in the London session, it's just a single candle. But whenever price try to retrace back to it, we got a reversal, right? So this candle has a change of character. I'll show you now. So just switch back to the smaller time frame. See price CISD mitigated fall down. So if you would have got some seconds, okay, we got this also. Okay, तो ये नहीं आ रहा है लेकिन yes, if you go even below than that, we would have got a change of character here. Oh yeah, definitely. Like which one would you like me to explain? Tell me which term you didn't get it. Like I'll just no, let you know. Let's keep a close eye on the dollar index. Okay, I'll just show you some examples of that. Let's say for an example, we got wait, I'll just show you the exact example of a CISD. Yes, here you got the CISD. I'll explain you how this works. So in higher time frame, price would have mitigated or taken out any supply. As you can see, the price has just taken out this particular liquidity. So now if you just switch it to smaller time frame, if you wait for a change of character here, you won't be getting a good risk to reward, right? So you have to wait for price to take out these particular low to consider change of character. It would be even difficult and you won't be getting a very good risk to reward when you trade. So can you see this one's just simple candle? If I just switch back to a smaller time frame, which is 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So this is the previous low. As you can see, can I consider this as a previous low? If price breaks this, can I call this as a change of character? Right? I can absolutely call this as a change of character. So I'll just wait for price to give a break below that particular low. So I consider this is a very good break. So inside the CISD, I'm talking about, we got a change of character, right? We got a change of character, all sorted. Now we got this inverse FEG. Whenever price is, mitigating that inverse FEG, I'll be taking my positions. So let's see. See, just mitigated the POI, right? So if I just switch back to the same 1 hour time frame, can you see how it exactly work like a magic? It's not about just a single candle, it's all about the what's happening inside that candle. That's why I say. Even you might call this as an order block also, but it's just the terms which we use to understand different perspectives. You might wonder why there are so many names, but it's to make the clarity. It's like the clarity is key in trading. The more clarity you have, the more we'll try to understand the market. Can you explain those tricky ICT terms in an easy beginner friendly way? Yes, boss. I'm here to do that. I simplify and make things easier. And if you are like, if somebody is new into the live, kindly join into our, Discord community. You have a lot over there. Everything is for free. Market updates, trade breakdowns, trades, even, you might be getting call outs. A lot of things are there. And even if you have any questions, you can just type your questions over there. There will be mentors who will guide you in the real time. Yeah, exactly. Names are just to be clarity. The more clarity you have, I mean, the more you will understand the price, what the price is actually doing. See, even here, you might wonder this would not make any. Even this is a risky entry, as I said. We haven't got the dealing range entry so far. Hi, Harshit. How are you? How are you doing? Okay. This is a good confirmation for longs, which means we are still good to look for the shorts. This might not respect, but even though if we take or initiate any positions here, it will be risky. And again, we got a con over here that price haven't taken out a sell side liquidity before making a very big move. So this is an absolute IRL to ERL and ERL to IRL move. So now it's looking good for shorts. I'll wait for a good entry model. Currently, I don't really have an entry model to initiate any position, so I'll wait for what time it is. I'll wait for 9:30. I might get a silver bullet setup. Basically, what is mean by silver bullet is it's just the way of looking at things very differently. A liquidity sweep, market structure shift, entry till the previous day high or the previous day low. Simple as that. Like what are you guys are watching by the way? Let me also know that what are you looking at too. Euro USD is I think yeah, we missed it, but there is no way I would have traded this because it would have been like a very small scalp, which is less than 100 pips. But yeah, still we can give it a try though. So why would we just miss? I can flex. Short would be this high, targets would be the lows. So price haven't mitigated the POI yet. I'll wait for price to mitigate the POI. The POI is the mitigation block. This could work out. Create limit orders. Set. The pairs are not that well, but still the price action. See, it's all about when to initiate a trade and when to avoid a trade. So if you're not looking for the setup, like if you're not getting any setup, just don't trade it. Simple. Even I used to do when I was a beginner. I used to force my trades. Like I've been sitting since whole day. I haven't even took a single trade. Euro sell limit actually, if I just show you why I sold it, ये जो पीओआई है ना यहाँ से मिटिगेट किया ऑर्डर फ्लो से इफ आई जस्ट स्विच बैक टू द लोअर टाइम फ्रेम यहाँ पे हमें एक स्मॉलर एंट्री मिला है which was this candle basically it's a rejection block if you can see this also यहाँ पे प्राइस ने ये 50% of this FPG को violate किया which means good to go shorts. Yeah, this is an A plus setup. I can keep this. जीबीपी इज ऑल्सो लुकिंग गुड बट ये यहाँ पे शॉर्ट करना बहुत ठीक होगा टू गेट दैट प्रिसाइज एंट्री। गोल्ड भी ठीक है लेकिन आई वुड हैव गॉन लॉन्ग इफ प्राइस वुड हैव टेकन आउट दिस लो and then the move has started like this move. This is not a dealing range, just a manipulation thing. If you can see the price is just sideways here. I would rather look for an entry model, rather than initiating a random trade. Let's see क्या होगा. Yes, it does already mitigate it. And one more reason why we are long is, sorry, short is dollar index bias अभी long है क्योंकि ये जो भी एफयूजी है ना यहाँ पे एक इन्वर्स एफयूजी, if you can see price got violated this. We might see a mitigation to this again, then a good expansion. So wherever prices dollar is rising, we might see euro and GBPs to fall. And the reason why I took the euro short is euro is weaker than the GBP. How many of you took the trade, guys? Let me know in the chat. Thank you, sir. Yes, thank you for that. This is a plus. Yes, boss. This is an A plus. I was watching too, but I was not convinced on selling from here, but you gave me confidence. I always give that, sir. Nice. This is something which we can expect. As mentioned, prices started taking off in dollar. See, in exactly 20 minutes, we can. Why the hell the time changed? Okay, no issues. In exactly the 20 minutes, we can get the actual move. Okay, it won't be any consolidation anymore. We get like solid moves. There won't be any consolidations or something like that. And if anybody is new, guys, just hop into the Discord channel. It's an absolutely free. Like, share, and subscribe. I never done that, but yeah, it sounds good. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification. Sounds good. Boom, boom, boom. That's good drop and knew how things work. And by the way, how many of you got the yesterday's trade? कल के trade कितने कितने लोगों ने like capture किया था? We got like USD GBPY के दो ट्रेड थे and GBP USD के एक ट्रेड था and we got two SLs also. GBP का एक आया and one was in crude oil. But we covered it up. We are if we do the math, we are already up by like more than 3 hours. Yeah. After getting a candle closing below these low, we can trial our stop losses. Hey, why there is so much rangoli in my charts? Remove. And one more thing, whenever you are in the learning stage, keep your charts as clean as possible. Don't do rangoli in the trading view. Awesome. Let's play holy. I like blue and green color though. This is Euro USD which you are trading right now. अच्छा यूरो में नहीं आया अभी तो जीपीवाई भी आज कुछ एंट्रीज नहीं मार रहा है सेम थिंग I like blue in my account because I trade Forex. I'll be looking for shorts in gold, guys. See, the thing is, which could be an A plus setup if I tell you, no? Since we have this proportion block, यहाँ पे जो ये proportion block है ना, after taking out this, we will get a retracement for sure. उस पे ट्रेड करेंगे, okay? अभी यहाँ पे जो भी हो रहा है ना, वो just a manipulation. We'll get the move in within 15 minutes now. What's more difficult for you, entries or exits? Controlling the trades are most difficult. For me, taking those screenshots is difficult. Not right now. Wait for price to give a good closing. Not enough. अभी 5 मिनट पे ट्रेलिंग आ जाए तो अच्छा आ जाता है लेकिन जस्ट नॉट ए क्लोजिंग नो विल वेट and again USD CHF is looking good though since it has violated this inverse FVG good one mitigated well. Awesome. Yeah, not bad though. Yep, yep, yep. So I'll be initiating a new position after getting a closing. See, I need something like this to happen. A good closing above and a retest. Something like this. Then I would be interested in taking a trade over here. Keeping stop loss below, targeting which targets to target. Okay, we got a very good imbalance over here, so this could be an A plus setup. Yes, damn, so many good trades in a day. Not bad, not bad. Then we'll try to trial over here, book 80% and rest will return. That's a good risk to reward though. We will give it a try. Keep an alert. One more, one more. And guys, if you guys are, watching it, like if you guys identified this, we have a CISD here. Operator. Good name though, but see, it just doesn't work like that, huh? जो भी होता है सो अच्छा के लिए like it's just an experience I would say. You would be very surprised if I just ask, guess, like give it a guess. How many trades would I take in a week? Smooth operator, yeah. Just take a random guess. How many trades, in a week? And those who know, don't answer. Hmm. That's so close. Yeah, that's it. I hardly take 5 trades in a week. I only trade those sniper moves. I know how to capture every single move, even though I know how to trade that, you know, counter trade moves. But I always wait and trade the sniper entries. So there is something called market maker, buy model, and sell models. I only trade those sniper entries. I don't look for every small move to, put it in my pocket. That doesn't work. Like trading that doesn't work like that. I used to be like that in a, like long before when I was in my beginner state. No boss, 3 4 hardly. 3 4, that's it. I'll aim to make 2 to 3% a week. If I'm done that, then that's it. I won't lose more than 2% in a week. If I hit minus 2%, then that's it. No trading for the week. I'll just go and eat my favorite food and I'll just sleep. And one more rule which I follow is I won't risk uh, like more than 1% in a day. So usually how that works is on weekly how many RR bro? See, there were days where I ended up, making nothing, maybe even break even. Yeah, even still in last week, even I ended up losing 2% of my account. And including brokerage, it was minus 2.5%. Yesterday, I got like three awesome trades. I ended up making everything back. Now I'm at break even. Now I got this one more trade, which is almost, made 1:1 of my profits, which is a half percentage. It trades. Okay, guys, here's the CHF. Keep an eye on it. I'll be looking for trades after mitigating this POI. See, whenever you're initiating any trades, keep that little buffer, okay? So that you might not, get liquidated. Always use this principle. Okay, that's a good sign. Not bad. Good. And here also, if you guys can observe, this is a CISD. You can trial Euro USD. You guys can trial now. It's almost done. You are good to go. That's close to 3 hour. On weekly, how many RR, bro? It doesn't depend on RR. I look in terms of percentage. If I make 2% in a week, I'm done for the day. I mean, done for the entire week. Let's say if I just hit my 2% goal in the Monday itself, I won't trade until and unless I get an A plus setup. Even though if I get a setup, I'll only take it with the zero point 0.5 risk. And I have learned one thing in a very hard way that keeping your profits is, much bigger thing rather than, trying to capture every single trade. I have seen people, I have seen myself losing so much money, even though I had traded most of my money. See, I was very good at taking screenshot rather than booking my profits. If you guys can relate to this. I was that guy who used to take screenshots whenever my PNL hit $1,000 and then just not to book it and hoping it to go more higher and higher and higher. But guess what? Ended up losing all the trades. I just, those screenshot left with me, bus. I'm with the 5 percentages now. It's 5 years. Also, I have an account in Funding Pips. Yeah, लालच. वो जो स्टोरी होता है ना, वो मुर्गा वो सोने के अंडा दी थी वो. Yeah, this is all good, guys. Like I don't know how professionally this works, but yeah, I'm making up to my this thing. And again, if you're liking it, give it a like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, we can look for the entry after the retest. अभी entry नहीं बना है, लेकिन we'll wait for the retest. It's looking good though. We can expect price to mitigate the highs again, like all on top. What could be the reason why is price rejecting too fast? I think it's this liquidity. Yeah, but still no issues. It can go lower. We will get a candle closing here. Then price will go back to this CISD. From there again, price will try to make another drop. If not, I guess price is already mitigated this. I don't think it's going till there, but yeah, let's see. I broke my screen smashing the like button. Nice. गोल्ड ऊपर जाने गया नीचे ट्रेडिंग का तो अर्जुन रेड्डी हो गया. Thank you, boss. And again, if you are someone who is very new to our channel, kindly join our Discord, Telegram, or Twitter. No Telegram, we haven't initiated Telegram yet. And here everything is free, guys. And if anybody who is serious about learning the concepts, whichever have we been using in the markets, maybe I would plan for a mentorship in, maybe coming days. But it's an absolutely free platform where you can actually learn and make money. This is not just a hype. Yeah, I thought so. No Telegram. I think it's a loop, no? Where people find it, just to make money from those illiterates. I mean, I'm not trying to shame them, but there will be people who are not up to, like, there will be corporate office people, or maybe somebody who is studying in a college, or maybe somebody who is doing, evening shifts or night shifts. They might not join our streams and, miss out these trades. Maybe we'll plan in future. Seriously, buddy. Unfortunately, I'm not. I'm not a profitable trader. Thanks for asking. And please don't expose me. अगर प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं होता तो अभी तक नहीं होते. अच्छा, तो इसका पर्दाफाश होने वाला है, लेकिन हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे. This pattern is something, I have seen this. इसमें ऐसा होता है, लाइक प्राइस यहाँ है, यहाँ पे क्लोजिंग देके जो भी लाइन है ना, इसको रिजेक्शन ब्लॉक बोलते हैं बेसिकली. इसको मिटिगेट करके जस्ट अ विक एंड इट विल जस्ट स्टार्ट टू मूव आउट. अगर वो कुछ हो गया तो सीन हम वहां पे ही एंट्री लेंगे, ठीक है. बी क्विक. यस यस यस, ए प्लस सेटअप्स. इट लुक्स सॉलिड दो. कितना पिप्स का है ये? नॉट बैड. 270. आई मीन क्लोज टू 280. अरे यहाँ पे लेते थे लेकिन. नोप 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 नोप. हमारे पास तो पोवेल है. थोड़ा सा दिमाग से बहुत कुछ कर सकते. Guys, be ready, okay? If price is by any chance, if like just a touch, I'm in, okay? यहाँ पे I'm keeping a limit, keeping stop losses as the previous candle low. I mean, not previous, उसके previous का. It is close to a 3 hour trade. If price is, mitigating this thing, I mean, going for the limit order, not limit order. Crude oil, like it has a long way to go, sir. यहाँ तक जा सकता है ये. लेकिन कुछ एंट्रीज नहीं दे रहा है. आई मीन क्या हो रहा है किसी को नहीं पता, लेकिन कुछ. NZT short, is it good? NZT USD. Forex.com. Oh yes, same as Euro USD trade. पूरा टाइम फ्रेम पे रिफ्रेश एंड yes. Damn, looks good though. Seems like we have missed the entry. We are late to the party, but we would have captured this something like 3 minute time frame. एक कहाँ गया? Inverse rejection block, entry and stop loss could have been the highs, targeted the lows. This would have been a very good damn trade, but yeah, we would have missed it though. It's just fine. We got the Euro USD, which is a good trade. And you can trail your stop loss to CTC, guys. If wanted, you can also book 80% of your profits. नहीं, ये एंट्री देके ही जाएगा, उतना इजी से नहीं जाएगा, ये एंट्री देगा. चलो, आई मीन गाइस, आई मीन USD CHF. Bam, bam, bam. आई मीन जस्ट टू, अरे कहाँ गया ये गेट, कितना है? चल, चल भाई. अरे ये स्टॉप लॉस कहाँ गया? वो, दैट्स अ गुड ड्रॉप. Awesome trades. चलो चलो, W in the chat. गोल्ड 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 गोल्ड. मेरा टारगेट हिट हो गया. My target got hit. Awesome. A very nice 3 hour trade. USD गोल्ड भी आई थिंक POI पे टैप किया है ये वाला. हाँ, अभी यहाँ पे शॉर्ट करेंगे, ठीक है. रिमूव ड्रॉइंग्स. 30 minute टाइम फ्रेम, 15 minute, 5 minutes. यस, यहाँ पे ये बहुत अच्छा सबका है. We'll do this. I might feeling that. Okay, done. Short. We are shorting gold. See, I told you right. Exactly at the 15-20 minutes. That is how experience speaks. यहाँ एक रिजेक्शन ब्लॉक है 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे. देन आई एम एमिंग all the way till the lows. Like I'm not sure why my stop loss is becoming too much big. हाँ, हम यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं हमारा ये वाला स्टॉप लॉस इसके बीच में या फिर यहाँ के इसके ऊपर थोड़ा। वेट अ सेकंड, यहाँ पे ब्रेकअप गैप। हाँ, दिस विल वर्क आउट। देन विल टारगेट टिल द प्रीवियस एक्सटर्नल लो। यहाँ पे पार्शल्स बुक करेंगे एंड यहाँ पे विल सी वेटिंग फॉर द रिट्रेसमेंट गाइस। ओके ओके। Oh yes boss, I'm definitely going to teach and I'm planning to do the mentorship thing करेंगे। Like I'll update you guys। बहुत सारे रिक्वेस्ट आए हैं लेकिन या विल सी विल प्लान वन। हाँ जी, प्रीवियस डे लो। Okay, that's an awesome trade guys। चलो W in the chat। How many of you captured the move? Awesome awesome trade guys। मस्त ट्रेड है। Crazy guys। Awesome awesome। चलो we can square off full। Crazy trade। Crazy था crazy। I hope you capture the move guys। Somebody is rich today। Miss the entry। Oh, it's fine। We are gonna get some more moves today। It's fine। यार ये भी चल रहा है, ये भी बहुत अच्छा सा जा रहा है। I made 1% guys। I made 1%। चलो come on buddy। If you're actually coming, please come। I'm actually inviting। चलो आ जाओ। एक प्लान भी है बर्थडे पार्टी। तुम भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। Damn damn damn। See, as I said, this is called experience। एक किसी को आई मीन एक्सपीरियंस से आता है ये सब, यहाँ पे कैप्चर करना वो सब। फनी हो गया आज का। चलो ठीक है एंड यप यप। यस बॉस, मेरा बर्थडे है। एक ट्रेडर स्लिप प्लान करते हैं, हाँ जी जरूर करेंगे। कहाँ पे जाएंगे, बाली? See, there would be traders who are not up to not figured out yet। तो लाइक उन लोगों को भी एक्सेस होना चाहिए ना। सो इट्स जस्ट बेटर वी जस्ट कीप इन इनसाइड इंडिया सो दैट यू नो आई मीन सबको इनविटेशन नहीं है, कितने लोग आएंगे मेरे पास। तो एक काम करेंगे लाइक इनसाइड गोवा और समथिंग लाइक दैट विल कीप। ओके, आई नो अ प्लेस इन गोकर्णा which is very affordable। एक सेकंड गाइस, लेट मी मैनेज माय स्क्रीन। मेरे को थोड़े ट्रेड्स लेने हैं। I'm in, guys. I'm taking the entry. I'm in gold. Oh, hey guys, I'm back. I'm back. अच्छा, I'm in this trade. यहाँ पे I'll try to book some partials and rest I'll let it run. It's a very good trade though. We might get a little bit of retracement because of this particular imbalance of BPR. What is this could be? But yeah, it's so good. देखो, it has mitigated again with this candle. Exactly the entry point. If anybody would have missed the entry, they could have got the entry again. आई थिंक या लेट्स वाइंड अप करेंगे आज के लिए ये ट्रेड के बारे में पूरा नहीं आई अपडेट इन द डिस्कॉर्ड चैनल if you guys any have any questions just you can join the discord and ask us You have a team of 5. We'll get back to you if you have any questions on it. I think that's for today, guys. कुछ क्वेश्चंस है क्या आप लोगों को पूछने के लिए? सर, रीजन फॉर यूज दिस ऑफ ट्रेड जस्ट फॉर लर्निंग? यस बडी, डेफिनेटली. यहाँ पे क्या है? अच्छा, ये वाला USD का. कुछ नहीं बड़ी, देखो ये डेली टाइम फ्रेम है ना, बहुत अच्छा सा बुलिश सा बन रहा है, लेकिन जस्ट बेरिश तो बायस तो बेरिश ही है. लेकिन ये वो एक प्रोसेस होता है, IRL टू ERL एंड ERL टू IRL बोल के. सो प्राइस ना, it डायरेक्टली फॉल नहीं होता है, तो इट विल जस्ट ऑलवेज गिव अ रिट्रेसमेंट एंड देन फॉल, गिव अ रिट्रेसमेंट एंड देन फॉल. लेकिन वो रिट्रेसमेंट्स में क्या होता है तुम्हें पता है? सो देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड liquidities, external liquidity and internal liquidity. Whenever price taking out the external liquidity, it will go back to the internal liquidity and mitigates that and go back to the externals. So it will always keeps on repeats, until and unless it hits into a POI, then gives a change of character. So तब तक यही होता है. एंड टिल नाउ, अभी तक तो के लिए सब कुछ. अरे, क्या हो रहा है, एक सेकेंड. हाँ, the same thing, price taken out the external liquidity, अभी now just going for the internal liquidity for this FVG. Till there we are targeting and it's a very good bullish move though. And yeah, the reason why we took entry exact at that point was I was expecting price to mitigate till this POI, but it hasn't gone till there. यहाँ पे वेट कर रहा था, यहाँ पे भी नहीं आया, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्लोजिंग आने के बाद I just waited for this mitigation. After the mitigation, I was just in for it. That's it. I mean, I was just saying just like that. आपको लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा क्योंकि आप लोगों को एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. लाइक देखते देखते आपको भी, आप लोगों को भी समझ में आ जाएगा, ठीक है? या यूरो यूएसडी बुक फुल हो गया, ट्रेड का हो गया. अभी आप लोगों को कुछ और रिस्क करना है तो रिस्क कर सकते हो. 80% तो बुक करो, रेस्ट स्टॉप लॉस इसके ऊपर डाल दो, देन लेट इट रन. But I'm done for the day. Let's just keep this off. And yup, see you. Bye bye. Damn, making good moves, boss. Okay, I feel that's it for today, guys. Even gold is also on up to the par. Nice, nice, nice. Crazy day, आज. Crazy day, crazy day. चलो, see you guys. Bye bye. टाटा. इसके अपडेट सारे जो भी ट्रेड्स हैं, आई विल बी गिविंग एन अपडेट इन द डिस्कॉर्ड चैनल. Kindly join the Discord if you need more updates. So that's for today. Bye bye.